Good morning, children. Now, this is 6th class social studies. What is that? 5th lesson, early life to settled life. So, we are in this lesson. In the previous class, I said how people moving from place to place, that is called nomadic life. So, nomadic life is very difficult life. Okay, but gradually the human beings are improving in their lifestyle. Okay, so here look at Balaam caves. In this lesson, our archaeologists found some caves. When they studied these caves, they found some tools and weapons which are made by bones and rock, etc. That means the human being, that means the ancient people, they lived in the caves, they used the weapons and also tools which are made by bones and rocks, etc. Next to here some caves found even in our Andhra Pradesh. For example, Karnool district. In Karnool district, 200 caves found. Okay, they are called Balaam caves. What they are called? Balaam caves. So in Betamcherla, Banaganpalli, we can see a number of caves even in our Andhra Pradesh. Actually, in our subcontinent, that means in our India, we can find many states such type of caves. Okay, in the caves they painted some pictures also. They painted some pictures. Rock painting. This is rock painting. How they painted? What material they used for painting? So the archaeologists and scientists believed and they found the ancient people, they mixed some colors of stones with fat, animal fat. When they mixed this animal fat with different color stones, then they took the bamboo brush. What is that? With bamboo brushes, they used to paint upon the caves. What are their experience? Okay, etc. So we can see these kinds of paints in especially YSR Kadapa district. YSR Kadapa district. Okay, Chintakunda Kunta Mandalam Muddanuru Mandal. Okay, so we can find these type of pictures in many places, but in our state we can find such type of painting caves in YSR Kadapa. The village is Chintakunta Mandal Muddanuru Mandal. Okay, what are the pictures? Okay, here we can find, we will see animals, some kinds of animals are there, which are painted by our ancestors. What are that? Eddulu, Avula Gundu. Okay, Eddulu, Avula Gundu. That means what? They domesticated some kinds of animals. Okay, next to another picture also there. After this lesson I shall show you in your textbook what are the pictures painted by our ancestors, what are the caves in our Andhra Pradesh, in Karnool district, etc. Okay, next one, hunter gatherers. Actually, people started their life with hunter gatherers. That means in search of food they are hunting the animals. The animals are moving from one place to another place. That is why people also moving from one place to another place. But the human being developed, okay, from animal hunter gatherer to farmer herders. Okay, so they developed farmer herders. That means farming. Farming is very important for sedentary life or settled life. So here 12,000 years ago, the climate totally changed. It became warmer. When the climate changed, it became warmer. There in the atmosphere, many changes occurred. Especially the trees grow, grass grow abundantly. Okay, when the trees growing, when the grass growing, these human being are observing how the trees growing and how they give fruits, how they ripen. That means seasons also changing. Okay, so the people are taking as food these fruits. Next one, the fruits are there fell upon the ground and they broke off the stalks. Again, the seeds will grow as plants. Okay, so these all kinds of process is observing by our human being. Then the human being are understood, okay, how the plants are growing, how they are ripening, how they are giving, that means fruits, etc. Okay, so in this process, he also collected some grains. Okay, next one, when he sowing the grains at rainy season, it will appear sprouts, plants. After this one, they will give flowers. After it will give fruits, etc. So that is why he started cultivation. He started cultivation. So he is observing what kinds of seeds are suitable for eating, what kinds of fruits are suitable for eating. So which are useful, which are not useful, which are useful and which are poisonous. So that is why, so he collected what are the useful grains. So he stored these grains and at rainy season he started sowing these seeds. Okay, so this process is continuously doing by our ancient people. Next one, domestic animals. So he saw many animals. When he started growing the plants, along with these plants, grass also growing. Okay, the animals are coming and eating this grass. So he observed the animals. So what are the animals, gentle animals, and eating which is growing by farmers or human being. So slowly he domesticated the animals. For example, we know what are the domesticated animals. For example, ox, sheep, goat, cow, buffalo, pig. So these are all domesticated animals. So slowly that animals came to human being surroundings, and when they came, he has given the food, grass to that animals. So slowly he domesticated these animals. These animals are using for human being giving milk, fat or meat. Not only that one, he used these animals to carry the loads. Okay, so that is also starting. Here, students, the age, three ages are there. First one is Paleolithic age. The period, this is old Stone Age. Okay, the period is here 2.6 million years ago BCE to 10,000 BCE. That is called old Stone Age. Next one, Mesolithic age. This is middle old age, middle Stone Age, 10,000 BCE to 8,000 BCE. Next one, new. This is Neolithic age, between 8,000 BCE to 3,000 BCE. So that is the old age divided by our scientists and archaeologists. Next one, students, growing plants. Here he started growing some kinds of plants. These plants are giving valuable food grains to him because he observed what plants are useful to him. Okay, whether the plant giving fruits, whether it is giving flowers, leaves, etc. Okay, so when he observed this plant, he started cultivating. That means he is rearing crops. Okay, next one, what kinds of crops he is growing? Here, rice, wheat, barley, some kinds of grams. green gram, red gram, horse gram, black gram, etc. So when he cultivated the land at the harvest time, he cut off that all grains. Okay, he stored these all grains in his future purpose in clay pots and woven baskets. Sometimes he stored these all grains in earthen pits also. Okay, so that is happening in the old age. We can find these all things in the old time. Next, students, rearing animals. When the animals are coming or near to human being, they observe that animals are eating these grass. These grass. So that is why he is giving some food. That means he is giving some grass to the animals. Okay, that is why they are domesticating slowly. What are the two animals I said already? Sheep, goats, buffaloes, oxen, pig, etc. Okay, they are giving milk, meat, carry loads, etc. to human being. That means the human being are using animals for his life, and also he started cultivation. So when he started cultivation, he do not go always from one place to another place like animals. Okay, next he protected these all gentle animals, domesticated animals from wild animals. So we know what are the wild animals today: lion, tiger, wolf, fox. Okay, so they are very dangerous animals. Okay, that is why so he protected these domesticated animals from wild animals. Okay, next one towards a city life. So when he observed the plants, he started rearing animals and also growing plantation. So what kind of plants are useful to him? He observed. So that particular kinds of plants he started growing. Okay. Next one. So he observed how day to day these plants are growing. How week by week these plants are growing. How monthly these plants are growing. Some plants will grow years together. After 5 years they will give fruits. So that is why he observed, oh yes, this plant will give fruits after 5 years. This plant will give after 2 months, etc. So he observed how the duration of the plant's period, ripening period. According to that, they started growing these all kinds of plants around his area. Okay, next one. City life, plants growing day, week, months, years, etc. Store grains. I said already. So he is storing the grains, okay, in clay pots, woven baskets, dig pits into the ground, etc. Okay, children. Now this is done by our ancient people. So our human being gradually improving year by year. Okay, year by year. Next, I want to show you some pictures in this lesson. You turn your pages. Page number 56. Now, children, look at page number 56. So, this is the cave. Entrance of Balaam Caves in Karnool district. Next, look at the bone tools. Bone tools found in Muchatla, Chintamanu, Gavi Cave, Karnool. Look at these bone tools. Next you come to this. They painted some pictures. Look, Eddulu, Avulu, etc. with colorful. Next here look at human being, arrows, using arrows. Okay. Some domesticated animals also there here. Next you turn the page. He started our growing plants. What kind of plants growing? Domesticated crops, rice, ragi, wheat, green gram, black gram, red gram, horse gram, etc. Okay, children. Next to rearing animals. Look at here some kinds of animals there. Cow, buffalo, oxen, okay, sheep, goat, even dog also. Next here some insects, honeybee, next this is silkworm, etc. Okay children, I shall teach you the remaining lesson in the next class. Thank you.